Hi guys, this is your Pandy, and since I have my stream deck, I wanna try some of my edit memes out on a video that's called something about Zelda Breath of the Wild animated speedrun. Let's hop right in and I try to put my memes into it. Let's go.
Link, open your eyes. Wake up. You've been asleep for 100 years. What? Hyrule has been laid to ruin. My power is weakening, and Calamity Ganon will soon destroy Hyrule. I need your help.
Well,
Please.
Princess.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer.
Just like that.
It's time to stop! It's time to stop, okay?
Yoink.
Fits so good. The Mario ball sound, nice. Lol.
It's me, Mario.
Als ob das Mario ist. So geil. Oh man.
Till it's cool, just cool, into the mouth.
Nice.
Ah, he's awake!
Hi.
Okay.
I say, what is Link doing with that tree? What in the name of Hylia? That look in your eyes. It would be reckless for you to head directly to the castle at this point.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. That's called a speedrun.
Von da und dem alle Molokaner, die haben gesagt, also warum bist du denn da? Dann habe ich gesagt, ich wohne hier. Denn Anne ist am
Anne. Ich hab gar nichts gemacht.
Ich hab gar nichts gemacht. Gar nichts.
Gar nichts. And that fits to Ganon. He's done nothing and smash.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
Oh, hi. Wait a minute. Who are you?
Link, what the heck was that?
Well, excuse
Excuse me, princess. So nice. Yeah. I liked that one, and my memes that I saved up here in my stream deck fits perfect in, I think. And if you like my video here, my reaction and tryout from my stream deck, then leave a like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more of those. Then I will search more memes and place it in my stream deck, and then let's have some fun with it. With that said, that's the end of the video. Bye guys.